Okay, so what are Bluechew's active ingredients? What's actually inside the tablet, right? Here's the deal. It depends because Bluechew is a service that offers different types of ED medications. By the way, there's a link down below. If you end up wanting to try them out, you can use that link to actually sample their entire service and process that'll get you 6 free tablets. All you have to do is literally pay for shipping. It's like $6 and that is it. You can cancel your subscription after that and disappear and never visit Bluechew's website again. But honestly, something tells me you'll end up coming back because their service is pretty convenient and their products really do work. But here's the deal. They offer different prescriptions, right? So what's inside the tablet depends on what you're actually getting prescribed. But the 2 most popular medications they prescribe is Tadalafil and Sildenafil. And both of these, Sildenafil, by the way, is the main active ingredient in Viagra, and Tadalafil is the main active ingredient in Cialis. Now, both of these are considered, what class of medication they are, they're both considered PDE5 inhibitors. So to answer the question, what is inside Bluechew? What are the active ingredients? Well, the active ingredients are PDE5 inhibitors, which basically hinder anything that stops blood flow. So in other words, when blood flow is not flowing, it's because there is blood traffic, if you will. These ingredients clear up traffic, letting blood flow to the max, which allows you to achieve, your full capacity for an erection that will not only be a full erection, but that will last long enough and be sustained long enough for you to actually completely and successfully have intercourse. That's the whole point, right? So that's basically the answer to your question. There's vardenafil, there's other prescriptions that they offer, but I'm focusing on the 2 most popular prescriptions that Bluechew offers, which is Sildenafil and Tadalafil. And that's pretty much it. Those are the main active ingredients. They're PDE5 inhibitors. It parts the sea, it opens up the road of traffic, and it makes blood flow basically at a higher capacity so you can achieve an erection. That's pretty much all there is to talk about, guys. And if you want to try out their service and to see how these ingredients work for you, you can use that link down below. Like I said, you can get 6 free tablets or like $20 off of another bigger subscription. But honestly, I would just try them out first. Try them out. All you have to do is pay for shipping. It's like $6. Like I said, you'll get the 6 free tablets, which is the smallest subscription that they actually offer. And if it works for you, great. If it doesn't, well, then you got to move on. But trust me, you'll most likely be coming back. Anyway, that link again down below is there for you to use. See you in the next video.